for we the Congress Party and the North Shillong Congress Committee to have Lyngdoh back to the Congress Party.
MLA Barim kanong Spong Constituency uba John Antonio Lyngdoh balatip ru kum uba dim ulalit Phai Biang siya Seng Congress hadien postnem ba ulami no naka uba John ularung siya Congress mentagasngi ka nyotarik urisaw arhajar arpuar kum udukot na North Shillong Constituency hakajingelang kablalong ha Congress bahawan Shillong uba GA Lyngdoh ula job kumu MLA na nong Spong nakaseng UDP shua baon sya rem no bat ula rung hakaseng BJP ban Iakhun no na North Shillong house nem arajar khatpra Henry ula sya rem bat minta ula rung no Biang sya kaseng Congress hakani kasngi la pedang buram ya uba GA Lyngdoh lembat kinong Krishan Jong-u da uba pinchangan CM uba day MDC ka pintor umkra bat uba bat ya kakam kum walking president jong kaseng Congress hapo kajilla
Kandirap namar ba kajing pentunga kajing don jong ba GA Lyngdoh na North Shillong ba marbut nang pinamolay nangana pintor haji siya ulai klaro ba manual kanirap sibun namar ba pila tangi klein happen thoron kra kinyo mensim lang kini kibai kersian ba jem do rakhan ba na North Shillong kinyo mensim lang kibana mulai rakhan na mulai kini yo praju por haji ade jumki ngatrai bana jiau don jingade hapo thoron kra hapo mulai kanirap sibun lagi klein kini
Nakalihat mo pa kung MDC naman.
Ako tamar ba ngadi MDC jong ka maukar pagdorong ka. Madon ko ba new television ng bahap aga North Shillong. Kaya nga try na kalang tunga kan don ato kan ni ban ong ibru jonga. Bagi na igresan lang ni ba. Yang mentang yang pan minut barong hadu kan mo lapoi gi ba pa bari na Congress Party. Ndai not less than 40-45. No doubt dikata kumpa saw bu sa pusan mo gidon gibang along prepare then isa ka to kami posisi bagi nang hapan up gumba up eka not Shillong kin ila se haga bukut hagiwi posisi kanong bukan not Shillong yo kan dia ba don ka chance banjo
Sekarang apa saya rawan mana-mana
pi haji penting aku morgi pusten ka the chain yang president po high command hoy ngam kan don something ka impact ay yang ni tenri ngam i kata nama ka syong ya haki state leader po ka Congress party ke pada gidon ki good state leader po ka Congress party ang athai pa ba kinong Phai syaga central ICC pada masih kan tamang takta than war manu ka syong ya hangi quality jung candidate bat ka kinong ilang juga
take up is the people's issue, and that is the corruption of this present government, MDA government is too much, it's too high. So I'm going to take up one by one after another. This is the main issue now. And the people of Shillong City and the people of the state, they are fed up with the style and functioning of this government. I'm telling you, this has come from each and every quarter. That's why they have requested me, don't go to any party after you have resigned from the BJP, go back to your parents' party Congress. This is the only party you could see that they can take up this issue against this MDA government. The party of the government, let us see first what will be the decision, whether this is only a play for them to prolong this or is it a serious one. Right now, I don't have anything to say on this because this is a very long pending issue. To leave my party, yes. You see, to be frank, thank you very much for the question that you asked me. I joined BJP for good, right? Right from day one when I joined BJP, I've made up my mind. Not because I want to contest election from 17 on. I'm giving you back what I've given earlier statement. You see, after I joined BJP, it was Nalin Koli who called me. Then I sat with him, we discussed, and then Nalin Koli one day he asked me, Badev, why not we try to get at least a face value to be a leader of the state, future chief minister? Can we have? I said, we have, sir. Who is that person? I said, go and meet RJ Lyngdoh. Because RJ Lyngdoh has been suspended or expelled from the Congress party, so he did not join any political party. You go and meet him. Then he tried twice. Nalingkuli met RJ 2 times. He could not convince him. Then later on he called me. He said, why don't you try? You are very close with RJ Lyngdoh. I said, okay. In that case, then let me go and sit with him. Then first time when I met RJ, I said, why don't Bob, I used to call him Bob. He's like my own brother. I'm also very close to him, right from his father's time, late PJ Malbani. So I requested RJ, I said, why don't you join BJP party? Because from the BJP party, we are planning to have a face value leader. And that leader should be the future Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We need a clean person who has got a clean image. So RJ is one of the best I have ever experienced, and I know him also. So he said, when I requested him to join BJP, then he said, why do you want to divide my family? That was his first reply. He said, Badev, why do you want to divide my family? I said, no. Bob, I have not come here to request you to join BJP and to fight your own sister. Then said, from which, if I join BJP, I have to fight against Amparin. I said, you don't need to fight from Langkra. You come from 17 North Shillong. I'll be there to help you. You'll be the winner. 100% people will vote for you because local people also, they know you. And then non-tribal area, they will go all out for you. That is 100% guarantee. Please come from 17 North. He said, no, I will not come from 17 North, but you come from 17 North. They said, no, I am ready to sacrifice for you, okay? But it ends there. Then again, I tried for the second time to convince him. I could not. Then later on, he asked me, please go ahead with your plan to contest. I said, no. If you don't want to join, then I have to find out another person, face value. Then just after a few months, then the chief secretary who retired, you know him? Barkos Surgery. After Barkos Surgery retired, then I went and met him, requesting him, why don't you come and join in this coming election? We want you to be our candidate from North Shillong. I understand that joining BJP, it will be difficult for him. But if he is interested to join also, we will be there to help him. But if he is not interested to join, but we will ensure that he'll be the main person that people will vote for him. You see? But he also refused. Then after he refused, then we have no other choice. Then except I approached Mr. A.L.N. That time Ilhek was already a minister, MLA from Congress. Then I approached him. He was minister. Then I requested him, why don't you join that BJP party? As of now, we don't have a BJP leader. So if you come back, then at least you will be a face value also from the BJP. I projected him also because he's my closest friend. Right? He also refused. He said no. Then you know what I told him? I said, if you are afraid to contest from BJP from Pentoa, then you come from 17 now. I will sacrifice for you. You see? These are the 3 people I approached. For them, 17 North, that means for them. But when we came to know that no one are interested, then we said, okay, party feels that I should go ahead with them, then I apply a ticket.